Hello viewers, hope everything goes well. Today I am going to share my experience how to set up a private name server where you can use your domain as a name server rather than the hosting DNS. Suppose you have buy a domain from digital from free Namecheap or GoDaddy or any other place. Here I am buy a domain. By domain I am not using a free domain .tk domain from freename.com. So then we will connect this domain to a hosting company, and when the name server section come, we have usually used the hosting provider name server. Suppose for DigitalOcean I am using DigitalOcean the default name server they suggest ns1.digitalocean.com, ns2.digitalocean.com, ns3, etc. Here we are going to replace this digitalocean.com to our name server. That means my domain name is equal to .tk. Suppose first of all when we check the digital when we are going to check the equal to .com tk's name server, we'll find ns01.freenom.com, ns02.freenom.com, ns03.freenom.com, etc. ns4 5 6 7 8. Now on things here come ns01, ns02, 03, 04. This is not important part. How many ns record is there? It can be uncountless, because first on will be use a single name server domain and ns record will be used to identify the hosting, not the others. The others are the backup name server. That means when this will not found, this will work. This will not found, this will work. This is ensure your DNS is live. If we can include our name server or another name server here, or we can use a single name server here. We can mix our name server and the freenom name server here for ensure the live of the domain. So how now the equal to .com found ns01.freenom.com. Now this name server is live or not, we can check it a record. So the a record is found. So this name server is found on online. Now we are going to change this name server according to our hosting provider company, so that hosting provider company can found this name server and show our website. So in my case I am using DigitalOcean, so I am using ns0, ns1, ns2. So I am already changed it. And for the change, if we going to we search this, so ns0 or ns1, ns2 found. It took time to change in different zone. If we are going to search this for the a record, yes, this is found on online. Now we are going to use our private name server. So I am using ns1 equal to .com, ns2 equal to .com already, and search for it. Okay, some zone change the DNS record. Now we are going to check this NS record is live in internet or not. Look at, this is not found in internet. No IP is assigned for this NS record. Now this is the part we are going to assign a IP for this NS record. First of all we need to register this IPs in our domain part. In every domain provider company this is different. The main part is glue record. Glue record means we are going to assign our ANS record to a IP as the domain is registered to this freenom, so we can add the IPs from here. So ns1.tk you can use same IPs for different name server, NS1, NS2, NS3. My IP is, here is my hosting provider. I'm using virtual mean to make this hosting. So my IP address is this is. ns2 dot, you have to just change. So now if I add the hosting provider company must have the term to change the DNS server. This is in my case I can change it from this DigitalOcean panel or my own custom panel. Here in my case I'm going to this DNS zone and all record. Here there is no NS record is assigned ns1 dot, as because I have already assigned a server on it. So I'm going to show you that. Here in my case I have a namespace server and I have a domain.equaltrue.com, and I am using custom DNS where I am using my own NS record, ns1.equaltrue.com, ns2.equaltrue.com. Before I using this, I have already registered these IPs to the NS server. Sorry. You can find the option here, add DNS server, NS1, your IP address, the IP address you are going to assign. I have, and when you click on done, it already submitted on the internet. To see the existing IPs that is already assigned in NS server, I have already assigned ns1.equaltrue.com, ns2.equaltrue.com, xyz on the server. So if I going to look there, equaltrue.xyz ns record, this is ns1.equaltrue.xyz, ns2.equaltrue.xyz. if now I am going to check, is this NS record is valid on internet in any record? Yes, this is valid on internet. There is a official article to set up this private name server from Namecheap, and you will found this type of documentation in every hosting domain provider company. For GoDaddy, you can find this domain, this helping, and in GoDaddy there is an option when you're going to the DNS management for a domain, you can find the name server option. Here I am using ns1.equaltrue.encrypto.com, ns2.equaltrue.encrypto.com. Before I using this my own name server, my server is in encrypto.com. Okay, this is my own domain name server. Any record? Yes, it exists on internet. So what I have done, I have first I registered my name server with an IP from this hostname part, or I have a ENS1 to IP address, ENS2 to IP address, and after a certain time this is set on internet. For every domain provider they make a quick documentation to add this. So this is how you can make your own domain name server and make it live on internet. So the summary is, first of all you need a domain, and from the domain you need to register your domain, custom domain name server to an IP address, and then on the IP address you have to host the website, and you have to add a NS record there, and you have to point the NS record to those IP internally. I have done this in my suppose this is my old site. Here is ens1.equal_to.xyz, ens2.equal_to.xyz is pointed to these values. You must have remembered you have to put dot at the last part in domain type. Thanks all. If you face any problem or any complexity, please comment. I'll try to reply that.